How to fix mouse not clicking on Windows problem. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So if your mouse is not clicking, you will have to perform all your operations using your keyboard. So first, tap on your start menu from your keyboard. Then search for CMD. Now press the right hand side key and then it will lead you over here. Now run command prompt as an administrator. Then tap on left key and then select yes. Now what you will have to do is run this command, that is gp update, and then press enter. This will update your policy. Wait for the policy to be updated. Now type on another command, that is chdsk space c sorry it's chkdsk, that is check disk, and then space and then press colon and then enter. So wait for this to complete and then your problem should be fixed. If the problem still exists, simply go to your start menu and then search for control panel and then open it. After that, go to hardware and sound. Or from the start menu, you can simply go to mice setting or mouse settings. And from there, see if you can uninstall the driver, or simply uninstall the driver using device manager, and then from there you can use the tab menu and then scroll down using the downward arrow key, find mouse settings, and then press enter. After that, using the tab button, all you have to do is uninstall the driver and reinstall it back, and that should fix your problem. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.